So here we are sitting in the bed. We're at the lower controls right now for this AT40G. It is, by the way, dielectrically protected. It's insulated to 46,000 volts, and our bucket has a capacity of 400 pounds. We can start and stop the engine right here. We have an emergency off right here, and this is our switch that would allow us to operate these lower controls or put it in upper control. So let me just show you how these work. We'll pull down on this and we'll go ahead and raise the boom. You can feather these controls as much or as little as you would like. I will extend it. This boom is 45-foot high working height, and there are no stiff legs to get you in any kind of trouble. By that I mean parking lot, cars hitting you, running over, bending your frame. Can raise the arm here. That will go all the way up. We can also stow and unstow the platform from this location. So if you want to drive down the street, if it's raining, snowing, and you don't want anything going in the bucket, you can just go ahead and do that. Or if you didn't stow it and it rained and you want to clean it out, you can also do that. Oh, you know what? I'll show you how it rotates too. And it will go around 360 degrees. Bring the arm back down. Oh, sorry, that was me. And we will retract. And if you'd like to do 2 or 3 functions at a time, you can. It slows down a little bit. I'm actually not pulling all the way right now. So here we are in the bucket. I'll explain how all this works. We have a joystick right here, and this is an electronic joystick. These are really so nice. Make life enjoyable, and there's a lot less moving parts, so it's cheaper to operate this boom. But anyhow, if you squeeze the trigger under here, just like you used to with all the rest of them, and then you take this joystick, you can go and feather it as much or as little as you want. Up, down, in, out, left, right. And a couple of other nice features that this truck has on it is platform rotation. We can take this whole platform and rotate it to the other side of the boom. So rather than having to turn the truck around, we just turn the platform around. Platform interlock here if we don't want our controller to work. We have start stop here. Once you're in a position, if you care to turn the engine off because you're going to be working on something for any length of time, you can. Hydraulic tools are right here, and we have 2 quick connects right here. Just pop these rubber caps off, and there's our quick connects. If you have hydraulic tools, we also have a manual lowering valve right here. And the platform stow, we can also change that if you're wanting to for whatever reason. You can change the platform stow position right there. And we do have a liner, again, 46,000 kV. And something you'll appreciate if you're an older guy like me, we have a couple of steps here. They are on the inside if you decide to remove the liner, but it sure does make life easier getting in. Especially as you get to be older like me.